Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting on my floor in the living room because everything got painted. I'm gonna have to do a room tour because my house looks amazing. New carpet, new paint. It just doesn't even look like the same house. But still haven't put everything back together yet. And so I am sitting on the floor in front of a window so you can actually see what I'm doing because I'm going to be checking out the Silly George liner bond lashes. So it's not glue, it's not magnets. It's a liner bond. Saw it on Instagram and Facebook. Want to know if it works? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so I took off my lashes. I've had them off for about a week now, trying to wait on this product that I purchased, and it just came in the mail just now, so I'm gonna test it out. I am literally just taking it out of the packaging right now. It looks like this normal felt tip looking pen, and supposedly you just line your lash. You don't have to do a thick line, and you stick them on, and supposedly they last all day long. So it comes with one set, and there's 3 different kinds, I believe, and I got the one that is called Girl Overboard, which I think is kind of the most dramatic ones that it comes with, but I gotta say, these aren't like super dramatic or anything. They're just kind of, I mean, they're a little dramatic maybe, but they're not like super thick and super long and stuff. So we're gonna try this out, okay? So I've got a mirror above me, and so I'm gonna try and, get this done and do it like this so you can see. So yeah, it definitely goes on really smooth, just like a normal felt tip liner. If this had instructions, I was too excited to open it and try it to read. So I don't know if I'm supposed to let this dry before I stick them on. Without delay, oh, it loses its adhesiveness the longer you go, the longer you wait. Gotta get these on. Why do I get so excited? And then I don't read the instructions. Well, let's try this again, shall we? These are hard to get out of here, by the way. Like, there's the way it is without kind of ruining the curvature. It's kind of hard to get this off. I don't like it. All right. Then the inside of this looks a little funky, so I'm gonna cut off, usually I cut off the outside edge, but let's try this again because it's gonna lose its stickiness. Now I don't know if I'm supposed to like take it off. Really? Is that it? I mean, feels like it's stuck on. Really? Wow. I can feel it on there, but it's definitely, I can feel it, but it's not as heavy as magnets, but I can definitely feel, it almost feels a little tight, but kind of like a regular strip lash. Let's try the other one. It's on. Like, it looks really pretty. The eyeliner is very easy to put on. It hurts, like it's weird. But I'm gonna wear them. I'll check back in later and see if that kind of tight feeling, it's like my eyelids are tight. This is gonna give me an eye lift because that would be amazing. I kind of doubt it. All right, we'll check in later. See ya. Okay, you guys, this is day 3 of me wearing the Silly George eyeliner lashes. And oh my gosh, the only reason that they were hurting the first time was that I hadn't cut them short enough, and so it was like pinching in the inside of my eye, but that was totally user error. I have been wearing them now for 3 days, and you can't feel them on after like a minute. The first minute I thought, oh, it feels like regular falsies, but now I can't feel them on at all. They are super easy to apply. They last all day, and everything just comes off with regular eye makeup remover. You do have to, it's harder to get it off. It's almost like waterproof eyeliner or mascara. It's a little bit harder to get off, but otherwise they are amazing. They work so good, and they're super easy, so much easier than magnets, so much easier than glue. And so if you want to do something on your own, this is great. Just sillygeorge.com. Right now they're on sale for $40 for the eyeliner and the lashes. I have the most dramatic ones, but they've got 3 different styles on there, and super easy and super good. Thumbs up. I really like this. Finally, another Facebook made me buy it that actually works. So excited. I just wanted to pop back on here and tell you something. I, after a few days, started to struggle with the inner corner lifting on these lashes, and I have kind of curvy eyes there, and so I reached out to the company and told them, you know, look, the first couple days it was great, and then after that it started to lift off. And so I did not read the instructions where with the pen, you have to, the eyeliner pen, you have to shake it a lot before every application to mix it up well. So I wasn't doing that. So I tried that. It was still lifting on the inner corner. And so they had said that, you know, maybe trim it down a little bit and place it more on the outside, because if you have a really curvy eye, that inner corner is where the tension really is, and it can lift off. So what I ended up doing is cutting my eyelashes in half. There's actually a section here and a section here, and I put it on one and then the inner one in, and then there isn't so much tension pulling from these outer lashes on the inner one, and that seems to work really good. So if you have any trouble with these lifting on the inner corner, I would say cut them in half and put them on in 2 separate sections, and then it seems to work pretty good. Okay, just wanted to pop on here and let you know that. So share this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more like this. I do lots of Instagram and Facebook product reviews and a whole bunch of other things, makeup reviews. I'm actually testing out a new foundation for my day 4 of my 5 days of foundation, and this is one that's supposed to last all day through summer. It's supposed to be sweat proof and all of that. It's a Korean brand that I got off Ulta. So stay tuned for that. So don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I'm going to end this here. These are great. Love them. 2 thumbs up. And I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.